Attention diesel car owners. This is a video you can't afford to ignore. There's one common mistake that could ruin your engine, cost you thousands in repairs, and even void your vehicle's warranty. It's not a mechanical failure or a manufacturing defect. It's something completely preventable. That mistake? Using the wrong type of NV oil in your diesel engine. Sounds harmless, right? But this single error has destroyed countless diesel engines, damaged emission systems, and left drivers stranded with repair bills that can easily reach thousands. So in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly what oil you should never use in a diesel engine, why diesel engines need special oil formulations, the real-world consequences of using the wrong oil, and how to protect your diesel engine with the right maintenance. Let's dive in. Never use gasoline engine oil in a diesel engine. Let's get this out of the way right now. Never use engine oil formulated for gasoline engines in your diesel vehicle. Even if the bottle looks the same, even if the specs seem close, the chemistry inside is completely different. Diesel engines operate under much higher pressures, generate significantly more soot, and run hotter, especially under load like towing or highway driving. That means they need oil that's engineered for those harsh conditions, whereas gasoline engine oils simply don't have the necessary additives to handle high soot loads, acidic byproducts of diesel combustion, or extreme pressure and temperature. Why is diesel oil so different? Diesel oils are formulated with more detergents to neutralize acid and clean soot, dispersants to keep soot suspended and prevent sludge, anti-wear additives like zinc, dialkyl dithiophosphate, really a tongue twister, to protect metal surfaces under high pressure, and, in many cases, low SAPS content. That's low sulfated ash, phosphorus, and sulfur, to avoid damaging emission systems like diesel particulate filters. Gasoline oils, on the other hand, contain fewer detergents and dispersants, are not designed to manage soot, and may lack the high-pressure protection needed by diesel engines. Modern diesel oils, such as CK4 or FA4, are required for most diesel vehicles post-2017. These meet original equipment manufacturer specifications and are backward compatible in many cases. Not all dual-rated oils meet low SAPS or original equipment manufacturer specific standards. For example, Ford, GM, Mercedes-Benz, and Cummins all have proprietary diesel oil specifications that must be followed. What happens if you use the wrong oil? Let's break it down. First, engine damage. Gasoline oil can't suspend diesel soot. This leads to abrasive particles forming inside the engine, accelerating wear on components like camshafts, bearings, and pistons. Long-term, this can mean total engine failure. Second, reduced fuel economy. Without proper lubrication, your engine has to work harder, leading to increased fuel consumption. Even a 5 to 10% drop in fuel efficiency can cost you hundreds annually. Third, overheating. Diesel oils are engineered to withstand higher temperatures. Gasoline oils break down faster, leading to heat buildup, oil thinning, and eventually overheating, which is a fast track to engine damage. Fourth, sludge and clogging. Wrong oil viscosity plus soot buildup equals thick sludge. This can clog oil passages and starve engine parts of lubrication. In some cases, the oil pump fails to circulate oil at all. Fifth, emission system failure. Using gasoline standard oil in engines with diesel particulate filters, or SCR systems, can clog the filters or poison the catalysts, leading to check engine lights, failed emissions tests, and expensive diesel particulate filter replacements that often cost thousands. And sixth, warranty denial. Most diesel vehicle warranties require proof of correct oil use. If analysis reveals incorrect oil, the manufacturer can legally deny your claim, even if the failure was preventable. What about dual-rated oils? Some oils are dual-rated for gasoline and diesel use. Look for both an S rating for spark ignition gasoline engines and a C rating for compression ignition diesel engines. For diesel, you want oils marked API, CK4, CJ4, CI4, and so on, or ACEA C3 or C4 in Europe. If your owner's manual approves it, dual-rated oil can be used, but only if it meets all required specifications. What should you do? First, read your owner's manual. It will specify oil type, like CK4, oil viscosity, like 5W40 or 15W40, and any low SAPs or original equipment manufacturer specific requirements. Second, buy diesel-rated oil. Look for API certification, correct viscosity, and compliance with original equipment manufacturer specifications like Dexos D, MB 229.51, or VW 507.20. Third, use quality brands. Reputable names like Mobil Delvac, Shell Rotella, Valvoline Premium Blue, or Amsoil meet high standards and are tested extensively. Fourth, follow oil change intervals. Diesel engines produce more combustion byproducts. Even if using synthetic oil, don't skip or delay changes. But what if you've already made this mistake? What should you do if you've accidentally used gasoline oil in your diesel engine? First, don't panic, but do take immediate action. The sooner you address this, the better your chances of avoiding serious damage. If you realize the mistake immediately after an oil change, the best course of action is to drain the incorrect oil right away and replace it with the proper diesel oil. Don't drive the vehicle, if at all possible. Even a few miles of operation with the wrong oil can start causing damage, especially if you're under load or driving at highway speeds. If you've been driving with the wrong oil for a short period, say a few hundred miles, you should still change the oil immediately, but you'll also want to monitor your engine closely for the next few thousand miles. Here are the final takeaways. Never use gasoline oil in a diesel engine. Always check for API-C ratings and correct specifications. Match viscosity and formulation to your engine and climate. Don't skip oil changes, especially under heavy load conditions. When in doubt, ask a qualified diesel mechanic. Your diesel engine is a workhorse that deserves proper care. Using the correct oil isn't just a recommendation. It's essential for protecting your engine, maintaining your warranty, and avoiding costly repairs. Don't let one simple mistake cost you thousands of dollars. If this information helped you, share it with someone who drives a diesel vehicle. You could save them from a costly mistake and possibly a total engine failure. Take care of your engine and always use the right oil, and your diesel vehicle will last. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Until next time.